How to become a Booking.com affiliate and monetize your YouTube channel. If you're passionate about travel, hotels, and accommodations, this could be a game changer for you. So let's dive right in. First things first, what is Booking.com affiliate program? Booking.com affiliate program is a partnership that allows you to earn commissions by promoting accommodations listed on Booking.com. When someone books a hotel or other accommodations through your referral link, you earn a commission. Okay, so here's how to get started as a Booking.com affiliate for your YouTube channel. Step 1. Sign up on the Booking.com affiliate partner program website. Visit the link in the video description to get started. You will need to provide some information about your channel. Step 2 is to wait for approval. Keep in mind that approval is not guaranteed, so make sure your channel has relevant content and a growing audience. Once you're approved, it's time to promote those bookings. You can start generating affiliate links that are on your dashboard. You can create unique tracking links for hotels, which you'll include in your video descriptions. Next up, you can start creating YouTube content. This could be travel blogs, hotel reviews, or travel tips. Just make sure to naturally incorporate your affiliate links. Be very transparent, always disclose that your links are affiliate links. It builds trust with your audience. It's crucial to analyze your performance. So regularly check how your affiliate links are performing. Understand which content and strategies work best. Remember that YouTube and Booking.com have guidelines, so follow YouTube's guidelines like not misleading viewers or engaging in spammy practices, and comply with Booking.com's affiliate program guidelines to maintain a good standing. So there you have it, folks. That's how you can become a Booking.com affiliate and start earning commissions through your YouTube channel.